When it comes to door replacement in Fort Worth, selecting the right material is a key decision that can significantly impact your home's appearance, energy efficiency, security, and overall value. With a variety of climates, from blazing summer heat to occasional chilly winters, Fort Worth homeowners should choose materials that perform well in all conditions. Here's a guide to help you find the best material for your door replacement project. Key considerations for door materials: climate resilience. Fort Worth experiences hot summers, storms, and fluctuating temperatures. When selecting a door, it's essential to opt for a material that can withstand these extremes without warping, cracking, or deteriorating. Energy efficiency. An energy-efficient door can reduce your utility bills by minimizing drafts and maintaining indoor temperature. Insulated doors and materials that limit heat transfer are a must. Security and durability. Your door should offer strong protection against intruders and stand up to wear and tear. Consider the strength and durability of the materials. Aesthetics. A new door can significantly improve curb appeal, so choosing a material that enhances your home's style is important. Top door material options for Fort Worth homes: wood doors. Pros: natural beauty. Wood offers a classic, rich look that's hard to replicate. It adds warmth, elegance, and character to any home style. Customizable. Wood can be stained or painted to match your home's color scheme, offering a personalized touch. Cons: maintenance. Wood requires regular upkeep to prevent damage from moisture and sun exposure, especially in Fort Worth's climate. Cost: generally more expensive compared to other materials. Best for homeowners seeking timeless appeal and willing to invest in regular maintenance to preserve their door's beauty. Steel doors. Pros: durability. Steel doors offer excellent security and are resistant to cracking or warping. Energy efficiency. Many steel doors come with foam insulation to enhance energy efficiency, ideal for Fort Worth's climate. Cost-effective. Steel doors provide a great balance of performance and affordability. Cons: dents and scratches. While strong, steel can be dented, and scratches may lead to rust if not treated. Best for homeowners seeking security, energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance at a reasonable cost. Fiberglass doors. Pros: weather resistance. Fiberglass is highly resistant to extreme weather conditions, making it a solid choice for Fort Worth's hot summers and rainy seasons. Low maintenance. These doors don't warp, rot, or require frequent refinishing. Variety of styles. Fiberglass can mimic the look of wood without the associated maintenance. Cons: cost. While less expensive than high-end wood doors, fiberglass can be pricier than steel. Best for homeowners who want the look of wood but with greater durability and minimal maintenance. Aluminum doors. Pros: lightweight. Aluminum doors are lighter compared to steel, making them easier to install and less demanding on door hardware. Corrosion resistant. They are resistant to rust, ideal for regions prone to rain and humidity. Cons: lower insulation. Aluminum tends to conduct heat, potentially impacting energy efficiency unless insulated. Dents easily. More susceptible to dings and dents than other materials. Best for homeowners seeking a modern aesthetic with light maintenance needs. Glass doors. Pros: natural light. Glass doors can brighten up a space and provide beautiful outdoor views. Customizable. Options include frosted, tinted, or decorative glass, enhancing curb appeal. Cons: security concerns. Glass is more fragile than solid materials and can be a security risk without reinforced options. Energy loss. Glass must be double or triple paned to offer good insulation. Best for enhancing indoor light and aesthetics while still using reinforced or decorative designs for security and energy efficiency. Making your decision. When replacing a door in Fort Worth, take a balanced approach that considers aesthetics, functionality, security, and energy efficiency. Consult with a professional to evaluate your specific needs, including the architectural style of your home, budget, and lifestyle. Whether you choose wood, steel, fiberglass, aluminum, or glass, a carefully selected door can make all the difference in your home's look, comfort, and overall value.